Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where day 11 of the Onsen Egg treasure hunt is located in Heartopia. I will be also showing you guys where the bubble is. So for day 11, you will see the green egg like on this tree, on the tree trunk branch. I don't know. It's located here near Annie. So again, just take a picture first. There we go. For the bubble, it's located near here. So we are just going to go, well, it's not super near actually. It's near lot 8. So I will be back once I'm in the area. And for the bubble, it's located here on the tree as well. And here is where I am on the map. Again, it is close to house 8, plot 8. So let's get the bubble. I'm just going to go on this stone and I'm just going to jump really high there. There we go. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.